Good morning, guys. Angela here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I decided to use a different color for the base, and I am going for those beautiful cells that I make with my white and cream base. But today I decided to use this beautiful baby blue. It is so beautiful, and I'm hoping that it will turn out, it will bring out those cells. I put all the ingredients to bring cells out, and I'm gonna use those blues. One is iridescent blue, which is for like metallic blue. So, and I'm gonna mix with the other blue that I just showed you. This is ultramarine blue, and it's brilliant, it's beautiful. So I'm using really bright colors. This is yellow, no, gold from Artisa. This is yellow Artisa. So I am going to go ahead and start pouring my base, which is this baby blue. As always, I'm gonna pour it as a puddle, in a puddle, and then I'll put my colors on top and just tilt. Today I'm barely really going to use any of my palette knife. I'm not gonna use my palette knife today. This is gonna be a quick and easy pour and tilt, and it's gonna bring out those colors. It's brilliant. I'm doing voiceovers, and I've already kind of done this, and I know how it's gonna turn out. So yeah, and now I'm just torching to get all the bubbles out, and starting with my greenish blue. This is the color that I added, phthalo green and phthalo blue, and then I followed with the yellow and ultramarine blue, and here just pouring all the colors in a puddle, in a layering all the colors, and yeah, so keep watching and enjoy the process, and I can't wait to see for you to see how it's gonna turn out. It is beautiful. It's beautiful. So keep watching, and thank you for being here. I really appreciate you watching my videos. Okay, so I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. So here is the final results, guys. I hope you liked it. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment. For watching, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family, and God bless. Bye.